My people, this one a real definition of a queen and more. This one now when you hear boss lady, that she be boss lady. What a man can do, a woman can do it better. One woman marry 7 husbands, give them houses each. Now be say them get one houses 7. This woman they visit them anytime she want have sex with them. Now so the thing be that one no be boss lady life be that. This woman na traditional healer, and she dey claim say her powers come from her hair, just like Samson for Bible. And she talks about the reason why she no cut her hair. And elders, these elders, spiritual elders, then tell her say she no go get more than 1 pikin from 1 man. So now the reason why this woman go marry 7, so that she fit get different children from these men. This woman talk say no be she choose this men, no. Say na the elders direct am to this men, and as she approach the men no go fit talk no, because she don't get superpowers. And she talk say now when these elders approach her and she get these 7 husbands, now when her powers activate. So my people, see where woman approach man, person no go fit talk no. It must be yes, and yes it is. That one no be living in bondage part 1 and 2, because I no understand. These men they no get choice, so because of say woman gets power, they no go fit get choice. Say okay, I don't like this woman, I no want marry this one, that one. Then just accept them like that. Why? Because now just the thing they fit do. Maybe if they talk no, nobody know wetin go happen to them. Whether they fit die, whether after that they immediately talk no, they fit die at the spot. Anything fit happen. I just they reason different things wey go happen if these people be talk no. Since now elders direct them, hey. And people now they see the pictures of these men wey they talk say get one houses each. 7 houses. They don't even dey like people who even get bachelor, or even they live for mothers. Now see as them dey so wretched, and like say they never even use eye see money, or they never use eye see building before. My people now they see. Now see the woman wey carry Samson and Delilah hair for body. Una they see the woman 7 husbands waiting. She said at first it been there somehow to her, but now she dey fully comfortable concerning this 7 husband matter. I never see this kind of thing for history of life. Say one woman marry 7 husbands, they comfortable inside. Hey, my people, this one na the story. Me I gonna wonder whether these people they no go fit do 3 some at least. I be thunder go strike them, or the elders go vex. Because I'm using them now, visiting them one to they do things. That one now another thing. So they fit do gang up, they be group, you know now, to spicing up things, at least make it dey lively. But this one, they talk this one say, hey, one picking one, maybe gods of the land go vex, so they feel vex for this kind of thing. That woman try am, as it be so her. I don't know whether if they cut that her hair, all her powers go. This one way they like Samson and Delilah case. I don't know whether na so it be. Whether if they carry her hair cut, power don't go, or she go die, or waiting go happen. These men they need church, they need pastor, they need prayers, because the kind witchcraft will tie them down. No be this one a 1st degree witchcraft. Woman we talk say if this men think of, I don't even talk do amo, if they think of to cheat, say she go no. That one a strong spiritual something, no be ordinary. As soon as they sleep with them, she they add more wahala to their life, they pin them down. Because people will get sense, people will know waiting they don't go. Since then day now, if the people where they truly see money, where they enjoy the marriage, you go see them for their body. This one they just like say then they suffer. Since then carry woman for shoulder like say she be God of the land, have been a goddess of the land. Now so then carry and put for shoulder, they waka they go. I don't know that the woman they cripple or waiting. I don't know. But now they see as the woman they. The woman said they old for my eye. Still, she carry she they sleep with 7 men, 7 able-bodied men. Hey, nothing person no go here for news, oh. Now the men them, I don't know whether una dey feel bad say woman buy 7 houses. For me, the money no pure, so I bet make my men them no feel bad. Make una no feel bad at all. As una don't see am, na spiritual healer she be, na spiritual elders director. So all the husband them be spiritual husband. This one them be spiritual husband though, because I just say they don't already see them for future, past, everything before they appoint them. Say okay, oh, make this woman go collect them, and these people they no get say. So this one na bondage now. Now they just need pastor, make them deliver them from this, make them get life. As it dey like that, they no get life. My people, wait till una get concerning this matter, because I don't know where to stand, I don't know where to sit down, I don't even know how to dissect this kind of matter wey dey like this. I don't know where is a reason to cheat. She don't already know. So how? That be say there's a reason to go pastor. She don't already know. Even as before I even call yourself to even read this news, she already knows I will come talk about them. Hey, this word hey, wahala dey like spiritualist. So hey, God, my people, I beg, if una get anything to talk concerning this matter, make una put them for the comment section, ma they see, because this kind thing for my whole life where they bring me to this earth, I never see them before. So my people, now yeah, the tori go end for today. Make una no forget, please like, share, comment and subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video.